Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today in our science class, we are going to continue learning about the community health. Yesterday we started to talk about this important topic that you should know about it. So, as you remember, yesterday we were talking about that as human beings, we are divided into three important parts: spirit, mind, and body. And each one of them have some important things. Like the spirit is the one who is in charge of our feelings, emotions, and positive attitudes. Also, our mind is the one who is in charge of the knowledge you already know, and our body is the one who has to be with good nutrition, exercise, preventing health measures, and all those things. So, today we're going to work on page 86 of our books. Please go to page 86 and we're going to work with some activities. The activity number 1 that I have here has some instructions that says that you're going to draw a happy face according to what the sentence is telling us. So, the first square has here bathing every 2 days. Do you think that's a healthy action or an unhealthy action? If you just take a bath every 2 days, what's going to happen? Your body is going to be dirty. So it's a bad, unhealthy action. So we're going to use a sad face. Yes, because it's unhealthy. Then, eating fruits and vegetables. What about eating fruit and vegetables? Yes, it's an excellent action because it's a healthy thing. Sure. Then, listening to music to relax. Do you think that is important to listen music in some cases to relax your body and your mind? Of course, yes. So it's a healthy action. And then, washing your body daily and carefully. Of course, you should wash every day your body and carefully. We have to take daily baths. Using the same underwear all week. Oh no, that's impossible. You cannot use the same underwear all week. So we're going to put there a sad face. Then, the next one, having negative thoughts all the time. If you are just thinking in bad things, if you are just thinking, I'm going to die, that this thing is going to happen, that's our bad thoughts. So, it's something unhealthy because you become stressed because of that. So, having negative thoughts all the time is an unhealthy thing. So, you're going to put a sad face. Now, continue with the next activity. Continue on the same page, on page 86. Here, you have a chart that says aspect of my body care that could improve. So you're going to write 3 things about your body care that you can improve and you would like to do to improve them. So here I have 3 different things. The first one is eat healthy food. The second one is drink more water. And the third one is take some vitamins. All of them are important to our body. So here I have the actions that I will do to improve each one of those things. In this case, eat more vegetables and fruits, drinking 8 glasses of water a day in the case of drink more water, and in taking some vitamins, you can take 1 vitamin per month. So, as your homework, you're going to complete exercise number 3 or activity number 3. You're going to ask to someone else. It can be your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your friend, whatever you want, whoever you want. What hygiene habits do she or he practice? And what should he or she do to have good health? So that was everything for today's science class. Hope you enjoy all this information. See you. Keep safe.